And finally, this evening, the South African rand dropped to a 3-month low on Tuesday, trading at 18 rand and 9 cents against the dollar, down 0.9%. Furthermore, this decline is attributed to a stronger dollar and falling gold prices. Now, locally, the Johannesburg Stock Exchange also faced losses, with the all-share index down 0.75% and the top 40 index falling 0.9%. In contrast, Bitcoin approached a record high of nearing $90,000. Portfolio manager Kabelo Tshila offers insights on these market trends.
Yes, well, good evening. We've had a very interesting session today. Everything pointing lower, everything red, including the currency. Maybe we start off with that, where the dollar rand exchange rate is currently at about 18.09, which is a 2.5-month low against the US dollar. And this is really on the back of risk-off sentiment that has crept through the market. Markets have been quite high and been quite bullish after President Trump was elected president. Now a bit of sense is kicking in, and investors are questioning whether these levels of valuations are indeed justifiable. Also ahead is obviously announcements with regards to the composition of those the US cabinet. And I think markets also a little bit anxious, not knowing, whether growth is going to be achieved by this new administration. So ultimately, we're seeing the currency, the dollar strengthening, which has led to our weaker rand at this particular point. And with a strong dollar comes weaker commodity prices. Now, the precious metals and industrial metals that we export are significantly weaker. Maybe looking at the precious metals now, gold trading just above 2,600 at 2,613, platinum at 959 an ounce. Oil is a little bit higher, currently at about $92.35 a barrel. So mixed there, the oil influence coming out of talks are regarding a ceasefire failing in the Middle East. So we're seeing that particular commodity rise.